We're on the road. Alright, so a lot of you have probably noticed the brown Chevy 1500 sitting in the lot with the Cognito lift that's seen better days. Today we are finally going to pick up the last pieces we need to finish putting that truck together. I'm pretty sure from Top Coat. It's the rear axle. So we bought the lift. The customer bought a new lift kit to replace the old one because it got kind of beat up in a incident, and we didn't have any details on what exactly the powder coat color was that we originally did the kit in way back when we did the original lift kit. So we took our best guess and it was a different blue, but we are finally getting the last pieces recolor matched and going to pick that up now. So that truck will be on the YouTube here pretty soon, which is exciting. Also, if you didn't know, we're giving away $3,333 in just under 2 months. You can use code CCTikTok1, CCTikTok1, no spaces, all caps. That'll give you 500 extra entries. There's tons of ways to earn points. It's pretty simple. Also, March 5th, right before that giveaway ends, we will be at Convoy Showdown in Ennis at Texas Motorplex. It's an awesome drag strip. Their show in, I think, September was freaking awesome. Our recap video is linked above to get an idea of some of the quality of trucks that come out, and I'm pretty sure this show is going to be even better, so hopefully we'll see you there. Anyways, let's go get this axle. Today, we get to listen to this Jeep yell at us while we back up because we got some 22x12 Axe off-road wheels on all 5 corners. Well, I guess it's 4 corners in the back, which isn't a corner. All right, this is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4-door. Obviously, we did the 2.5-inch rough country lift without the springs, so it's spring spacers, but it does come with the rough country shocks. Not a Vertex setup, but still rides pretty dang nice for the price of these kits. It's honestly hard to beat. MSRP on this kit's running, I think, $250 or $280 before shipping on Rough Country's website. To get you up that extra 2.5 inches, man, it's like, how could you not? Like, I feel like you have, when you buy a Jeep, this has got to be on the budget, you know? It's less than the warranties to get you a lot of extra clearance. This kit will clear 35s at certain offsets. This setup, we did 22x12 Axe off-road wheels with 33 12.5s. And this thing's murdered out, got some red accents. The wheels are black polish with milled corners. Milled edges, and this thing's clean. This thing is like got me second guessing having a Corolla for economy purposes and really considering getting some Jeep action in my life. So we're gonna hit this train track right here, just right down the street. So it rides smooth, but it does move you around just a little bit. Like, it's not, I mean, it's a Jeep. It's not like they're not made for, you know, just cruising, I should say. It's made for off-road. This lift kit, I think, allows you to continue to do what a stock Jeep would normally do, which is bigger wheels and tires, a little bit more ground clearance. Rough Country always has this this reputation for rough country, rough ride, as some would say, or maybe known for a little bit lesser quality. But I've said this in all the videos I've featured of them since my starting here. We've had zero issues with their kits. I think we've had to warranty or help a customer warranty one, maybe. And for the quantity of lift kits that we do of rough countries, that's pretty stellar in my opinion. But yeah, that's the 2.5-inch spring spacer kit for the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This thing is, I mean, that's a huge bump that I just hit, and it's still pretty planted. These things are sweet. 2.5-inch lift for less than $400 total. I mean, installed somewhere is going to cost you a little bit. Oh, we did rock lights too. 8 rock lights, 2 in each corner, help accentuate those Venom all-terrains. But yeah, just a perfect killer setup. Looks great, rides great, doesn't break the bank at all. And yeah, that's it. If you got a Jeep, get you a decent lift for a really decent price, hit us up.